Here are steps to transfer money from your eSewa wallet to your linked bank account. Step 1. Log in to your eSewa account using the eSewa app or website. Step 2. Click on the bank transfer option. Step 3. Fill in the required details. Destination bank account number, account name, amount, purpose, remarks if any. Step 4. Click on Check Transfer to verify the details. Step 5. Input the amount you want to transfer and click on Proceed. Step 6. Check all the details to ensure they are correct. Then click on Confirm. Step 7. Enter your MPIN/fingerprint or any biometric access like Face ID to complete the transfer. Make sure your eSewa account is KYC verified to enable bank transfers. If you have any issues, you can always reach out to eSewa's customer support for assistance.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes.